Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing the first step in the immigrant visa process for a spouse of a U.S. citizen through filing what is called Form I-130 with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Welcome to today's video where I will be discussing the I-130 petition for alien relatives, specifically for a spouse of a U.S. citizen. If you haven't met me already, my name is Jeremy Richards, and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we specialize in U.S. immigration law and have a specific expertise in helping Canadians to live and work in the United States, with offices in Toronto, Canada, and Buffalo, New York. The first step of the immigrant visa process to bring a spouse to the United States is through what is called the USCIS Form I-130 or Petition for Alien Relative. The I-130 petition is filed directly with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services here in the United States. The purpose of the I-130 petition is to establish what is called a bona fide relationship between the spouse, petitioner, the U.S. citizen, and the relative, the non-U.S. citizen spouse. In addition to the Form I-130 that you file with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, there are multiple forms of evidence that are required. The evidence, along with the petition, is to prove that there is an actual bona fide relationship. In other words, that the two individuals in the petition love each other. That this petition is being filed for love and not just to obtain an immigration benefit. In an I-130 petition, there are certain forms of evidence that hold more weight than other forms of evidence. One of the top forms of evidence is if you have children together. Children together tends to show that you do have a bona fide relationship, that you are in love. Most couples are not going to have children unless they have determined that it is a marital relationship and they want to raise those children together. Another form of evidence that is held in high regard in these petitions is joint finances, commingling of funds. Do you have a joint bank account? Do you have joint credit cards? Do you put your paychecks into the same bank account and share finances and financial responsibilities? Other forms of evidence also hold a lot of weight in these petitions, such as a joint rental agreement, a joint lease agreement. Have you purchased property together? Do you have vehicles in the same name? Do you have joint utility bills? Other forms of evidence might include a will, a power of attorney. Any evidence that goes to show that you have a joint life together, those are the things that they're looking for in these petitions. Other forms of evidence can be included, such as photographs. Keep in mind, photographs must have the both of you in them. If the photographs do not include both of you, then they do not show a joint life together. Photographs must include a location and dates as well. In addition to that, you could include affidavits. In other words, statements from friends or family, loved ones that will attest to your relationship, that you're in fact in love, that you in fact do live together, and you are in a bona fide relationship. If you have any questions about the immigrant visa process, specifically the I-130 petition for a spouse, we handle these issues on a regular basis, specifically helping Canadians to obtain approved I-130s and then to process their visas through the consulate in Montreal. This is the first of 3 videos. The second video I will be discussing the second step in this process, and that is National Visa Center and processing with the National Visa Center. If you have any other questions about U.S. immigration law, we'd be glad to help you out. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to others that are looking for similar information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.